Hey guys, this is Jimmy from Jimmy's DIY and with my son Ayan. Today we're at my friend's house and we're going to replace a shower head. So my friend wants to switch over from a standard old school shower to a new, basically rainfall shower and a handheld combo. This is a 10-minute job, which you should be able to do at your own leisure. So let's get started and get this done. So for today's project, you're gonna need an adjustable wrench, either Teflon tape or the liquid PTFE, whichever floats your boat, and then the new shower head. So first thing you want to do is hold the pipe here, and then you want to use your adjustable wrench and loosen the shower head. So what we're going to do is, so here we got this shower head loosened up. The reason why you want to hold this is so you don't loosen this from the back. All right, we got the shower head off.
It's filling.
All right. And we want to clean the old Teflon that's there. That's good enough.
Go.
So we got the shower, and we got the handheld shower, and then we got the hose. So first thing first, you don't need to put a Teflon here. It has the rubber washer in there, so you're just gonna tighten this. Hand tighten, you don't need to use any ratchet or anything like that. You're gonna basically take this and tighten this after the fact. First, let's tighten this. We're just gonna use the liquid PTFE. It's rather quick than wrapping around the other old school. All right, can you hold this for me?
Sure.
So it's like a goop. You just basically put it on. Be generous, not inside.
Also mess up the shower.
It doesn't mess up, but it just dirties it. That's it.
Oh.
Good question. So you don't need to go crazy tight on this, hand tighten, right? That's done. And then you're just gonna take basically your line for handheld and tighten this and hand tighten this. And that's it. This is all it is. And this is done doable in under 10 minutes or 5 minutes, I should say. And it's a fairly quick job. So do it yourself, save yourself money. Thank you for watching. For more content, please hit like and subscribe. Thank you again.